Mina Tofidos, the symbol, the central big boy Pekin. My real name now Daniel Kamara. Well, Mina Una Harris, of course, the central big boy Pekin. I don't start my career for a very long time. You guys know from the days of PDT, I started this whole thing.
Tofidos, I'm one of the big artists in the country where me admire, what impress. As time go on, it been lost at the music industry.
Make I go find doctor.
Medicine. That is one medicine. Make you give them the medicine. Stand on baby one medicine. Make you give them the medicine. That is one medicine.
And trust me, I know I've been lost power now for a very long time. Now I don't come back, and trust me, I don't come for real. And while cancel, I get some new stuff for now. Well, normally, really, me and my way look for sing beautiful songs. Them I believe in good music, right? I can always sit down during me lonely times. I dey imagine, bring inspiration, or sometimes I can walk on the streets. I hear a word, I say, oh, this is a caption word, you know. I take them. I try for implement them, put them into text, you know. Now so many music that can come, like something like Talk About Love, one of my greatest songs where I do, you understand? You know, one day I sit down, I think Body Suma, and I say Body Suma is lovely. I like her so much. I say, so Lord, just if I did talk about love, now I had to talk, but Lord, just bring something like that, you know. I get me man Case, I go do the beat and call Casey the Thread song, very talented young artist, you know. We put things together, we do that joint, and that joint was a crazy one, you know.
If I did talk about love, that you wanna talk about, cause you good for me.
For sure, baby.
If I did talk about love, that you wanna talk about, cause you good for me.
Truly, baby.
You not the one I love.
It is you, baby.
The only one I need, the only one I let, baby, take over. You not the one I love.
It is you, baby.
The only one I need, the only one I love, baby, take over. Back listening to Tofidos music, them and so like kind of guy what like we can Alpha Taris, you know, get proud, he left himself to everybody. This man don't create an impact to Sierra Leone music, and Sierra Leone industry. We don't create a lot of impact to young people and we try to grow in society.
Anyway, the relationship is very, very cordial. Especially how we call them the old artists, because you know the new artists are not too sabi them too much because they don't say what come on at the scene. But when you talk about those big names from the Emerson, the CJ, the K-Man, the this, me and them guy then they were cool, the Camouflage, Innocence, you know, we don't get no problem. Raga Spice, we they do well. Any we meet up, they always they buy me. Because one thing, you know what? Me and man are very peaceful and are cool. I don't get problem with anybody since I can at the industry. You can't ever hear say Tofidos don't throw beef against anybody or drop lyrics them for person, or sing politics songs against government. No, I'm not like that. You understand? Always here concentrate on me good lyrics. Sing for woman, beautiful songs them, that's all, you know. So like the relationship with them is very cordial, but the new school are the try for patch up because, you know, not that like I'm them bad or whatever, but just because I not too sabi them doing them this way, then come now we be don't relax, and you know, so I'll not be able to interact with them. But really I wish for interact well with them. Yeah, I've gone through so many things, difficult times, crazy times that will be safe, you know, get strong faith, you frustrate, because you know, looking at Sierra Leone industry, the industry is going down, trust me. And like when we compare the caliber of songs that we don't sing, looking at other guys them now, other country, you know, you could see some man just sing one song all the way to the own factories. So but we go, we don't sing good songs, we don't sing, but these things are not taking us far because of the country we came from. You know, not just a small country, we get small population, our internet is not good, and we get so many constraints that we will go through, where we get other people in other countries, them, you know, like they get big follow, the internet is good, you know, when they upload the songs then at the streaming platforms, before then they say 1 month, they don't make $20,000, you understand? Look at me now, so, for like how you make money like that, you know, easy. So these are some of the constraints that we will go through. Sincerely, this thing is killing us. After the long silence of Tuffy the Symbol, you understand? Right now, I've been signed by the Cool B Entertainment, you understand? Cool B na a young nigga, young guy, wey na Sierra Leone and Salonia born. You understand? He sports me talent since the day back, you know? The Cool B Entertainment are a very strong entertainment way based in Germany. Cool B Entertainment is a speedy something, right? And all what them they do now a very classic something. When you look at Tuffy right now, the new rebrand Tuffy, you know, you will see there is some difference with that kind of Tuffy you know before. Trust me, for real. You understand? Because the label what they represent are a big label, and a label who is spending money where they try to make Tuffy big, not only for Sierra Leone but for international level. A lot of people them be know Tuffy the Symbol say he been there with PDT, right? PDT na me group where I came from, you understand? We get prominent sounds like Oh Me Baby, Big Time Party, Big Change, Maria, and all this kind of stuff. I'm not saying me and that rhymes with the sing, but as time goes on, everybody goes solo. We go solo. I pull Talk About Love album, it was hard. That he himself pull Leon, he had. I can't pull Charger back, he had. I don't say when I go and know why we go into solos. There is something in the way picking don't matured. He decide for left in Papa say, let me go try on my own. So that's how it is. Me and that the rhymes, we ain't beefing, we not get no beef, we not get no hard feelings, you understand? Even this beyond time, that the rhymes is trying to do his own thing back, you know. He want to drop the beat, he call me, he tell me about that. I just want to tell fans, they say me and that rhymes we cool, with the talk fine, there is nothing. I know say people they want for you that crazy part there. Alright, Fambule, I thank you for watching, and I'm your guy, Tuffy the Symbol. Respect to the Cool B Entertainment and the Siki System production. Big up.